Pharmacy. Q1. A 65-year-old patient on digoxin develops nausea, visual halos, and ventricular arrhythmia. His potassium is 2.9 million moles per liter. Which drug most likely precipitated this toxicity? A. Furosemide. B. Atenolol. C. Metformin. D. Spironolactone. Answer. Explanation. Loop diuretics cause hypokalemia, increases risk of digoxin toxicity. Q2. A patient on lithium for bipolar disorder is started on hydrochlorothiazide. 2 weeks later, he presents with confusion, tremors, and polyuria. What is the explanation? A. Lithium clearance increases with thiazides. B. Thiazides decrease renal clearance of lithium toxicity. C. Thiazides enhance hepatic metabolism of lithium. D. No significant interaction. Answer. B. Explanation. Thiazides reduce lithium clearance, risk of severe toxicity. Number 2. Hospital Pharmacy Q3. A pharmacy audit finds that concentrated electrolytes, KCl ampoules, were stored in patient care areas. According to patient safety guidelines, what should be done? A. Dispense freely with labels. B. Remove from wards and restrict to pharmacy-controlled areas. C. Dilute and store on wards for emergencies. D. Replace with sodium chloride. Answer B. Explanation. High-alert meds like KCl must be restricted to pharmacy-controlled storage. Q4. During aseptic compounding, a pharmacist fails to disinfect the vial septum before needle insertion. What is the likely outcome? A. Reduced potency. B. Increased risk of microbial contamination. C. Drug degradation by oxidation. D. Increased osmolarity of solution. Answer. B. Explanation. Aseptic breach increases risk of contamination. Number 3. Community Pharmacy Q5. A patient on warfarin wants to buy OTC herbal supplements. Which one poses the highest bleeding risk? Ginkgo biloba. B. Ginseng. C. St. John's wort. D. Echinacea. Answer A. Explanation. Ginkgo increases bleeding risk by antiplatelet effect plus potentiates warfarin. Q6. A woman collapses at a pharmacy with hypoglycemia. BG 35 milligrams per deciliter. She is unconscious. What is the most appropriate immediate intervention? A. Give oral glucose. B. Administer IV 50% dextrose. C. Provide insulin. D. Wait for her to regain consciousness. Answer. Explanation. In unconscious hypoglycemia, IV dextrose or IM glucagon is life-saving. 4. Pharmacotherapeutics. Q7. A hypertensive patient with chronic kidney disease is started on an ACE inhibitor. 1 week later, serum creatinine rises significantly. Which mechanism explains this? A. ACE inhibitors cause renal tubular necrosis. B. Reduced efferent arteriolar constriction, GFR. C. Increased sodium reabsorption in proximal tubule. D. Random lab error. Answer B. Explanation. ACE inhibitors dilate efferent arteriole, intraglomerular pressure, rise in creatinine. Q8. A cancer patient develops hemorrhagic cystitis after chemotherapy. Which drug is most likely responsible? A. Methotrexate. B. Cyclophosphamide. C. Doxorubicin. D. Cisplatin. Answer B. Explanation. Cyclophosphamide metabolite, acrolein, causagic cystitis. Regulatory guidelines. Q9. A company applies for approval of a generic antibiotic. To demonstrate bioequivalence, which parameters must be compared? A. Volume of distribution and clearance. B. Tmax and half-life. C. Cmax and AUC. D. Protein binding and bioavailability. Answer C. Explanation. Cmax and AUC are primary PK parameters for bioequivalence. Q10. In a phase 4 clinical trial, rare cases of fatal arrhythmia are detected with a new drug. What is the first regulatory response? A. Withdraw the drug immediately. B. Add a boxed warning and restrict use. C. Restart phase 2 trials. D. Ignore as rare events. Answer B. Explanation. Rare but serious events, warning plus restricted use, not immediate withdrawal unless overwhelming. That's